Is this ergonomic office chair worth it? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. So I'm going to be showing you all the features and components, the quality of this. But the first thing I think it's worth covering that I believe probably makes this worth it for most people that are looking at this specific ergonomic office chair, the number one reason that makes it worth it, it's currently selling over 1,050 units per month. Whenever we see that kind of public sales velocity for an Amazon product, it's almost like an acceleration curve. Because so many people are buying it, everyone knows that people are buying it. And so they get a really good feel. Like it's kind of like a social proof thing. When you see other people doing it, if it's something you're looking for, that's evidence that you have to know that other people think it's a good buy. Here's the thing where it gets over the top though. I want to say there's like 350-ish 4.4 average star reviews out of 5 stars. When you're getting anything above 4 stars with at least 50 ratings, you're getting a home run product. This is beyond a home run product. Over 1,050 units selling every month, and I think it's 345 or 348 average 4.4 star ratings. When you're averaging anything over 4, you are in home run category. So I believe that's the number one reason most people who buy this are finding it worth it. But if we could go into the components and quality, that's where you're going to really see this going over the top. First thing I'll say before I show you the components and the quality, my brother and I have purchased and reviewed and built over 150, probably more towards 200 office chairs over the past 3 years. So we've accidentally become sort of like idiot experts at ergonomic office chairs. We've reviewed gaming chairs, ergonomic office chairs, executive chairs, all different types of, all different, like some of them higher end, most of them kind of in the budget to mid-range. So we have a pretty good vibe in there and a lot of different materials, high density foam, PU leather, various qualities of that. And also a lot of like high quality mesh and anywhere in between. So we've reviewed a lot of that stuff. So what I feel like sets this one apart is you have a very high quality leather on this chair. It is very a soft, supple leather, and it's all throughout. So that's what I really love. But you even have a different like stitching you have perforation and stitching kind of in the center part, makes it a little more breathable. So if you are going to be sitting here for 8, 12 hours in a day, maybe you've got a long work day, you're not going to be sweating back here. There's some breathability, which I think is very important. But you even have it on the armrests, which is really nice as well. It's very soft, but you also have that foam, that high density foam in there that just makes it more padded as well. Some points that I feel like it's good to mention: the headrest has increased foam, so you have more of a padded headrest here if you want to relax your head and lean it back. And then you have really good support down here on the base. This is probably a good point to talk about one of the features that I think sets this apart in this kind of budget price point category. This thing has a 400-pound weight capacity. So it's almost a hybrid, because I would say you could probably, I'll show you, I'll sit down on it in a second, but this is probably great for people up to 6'5" and up to 400 pounds. And it's built from the base all the way up with more sturdy components. It's even a little bit slightly wider. So it's designed to handle heavy poundage, and it's going to really last the test of time here. I feel like it's got a really sturdy base. It's not going to cave under the weight pressure too much. So you got a really good setup as far as that goes. When you look at that alone and then you think about the number on the product page, it's dumb that I'm even saying it's a good deal, because that is a really insanely low number. Like the quality of the components I've already mentioned, and the fact that it's 400-pound weight capacity, great for up to like 6'5". That could easily 3x the price of this, and it would still be a good value. But there's some additional stuff that I think make it even more incredible. We'll just cover the basic stuff first. So here it is at its lowest height. I'm about 5'10". Now you're going to see it's got a higher height differential than a lot of ergonomic office chairs do. So that raises a lot more than normal. And you can see I'm on my toes down there. And that lets me know we're probably good from, I would say the top end is probably about 6'5". You're going to be good up to 6'5". And the fact that that's up to 400 pounds, you could easily make an argument that that's kind of a big and tallish chair. Now, it's not technically big and tall, but it has that kind of componentry to it. So I think that's really important to mention. I really like the rock vibe. I think it just gives it more of like more of a meditative, flowy vibe. It gives you a little something you can kind of like do. Maybe you're on a sales call or something like that. It gives you just a little thing you can do. Maybe you want to like meditate at the beginning of the day or whatever it is, or at the end of the day. But you can also lock it in place so it doesn't rock. Another cool thing is you can actually bring these armrests up if you want to like tuck in your chair, or maybe you just don't like armrests all the time. I think that's really nice that you can do that. But here's what I think the number one thing is for me. This is a high-end component. You actually have a ball that inflates back here, and I'm inflating it right now. And what that's doing, are you able to see that? You might not be able to see it. Yeah, there's basically a ball here that's inflating into my back and giving me more firm back support. And I can keep going with that, and it keeps getting firmer and firmer. So you're able, this is a high-end one. We've only found this on like, what is it, like 2 others? Probably like a 2 to 3 others out of the 150 to 200 that we've reviewed. We've only found this on 2 to 3 others, and they've been like I think they've been executive office chairs. You're getting a really good value here. This is a high-end component. Typically, you're getting a basic ergonomic adjustment back here. This allows you to do it right from your chair without having to get up, and it's very custom to your vibe. Now, if you want to let it out, all you do is press this button right here, and I can feel it deflating. That's amazing. So there's a wide range of back support. I think that's probably the highest end feature. This thing's very nice. Okay, would I say it's worth it? I would say it's incredibly worth it. I would easily pay, with what you're getting, the components of this chair, you could easily make an argument for paying 3x what this costs. And I think it would still be a good quality chair that lasts the test of time that you're very happy about. So I think it's worth it, but ultimately it's up to you. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision.